Today we are going to learn a new sound. But before that, Khyati, let us play a new game.
Okay, ma'am.
Look at the pictures carefully, guess the beginning sound, and then match them together. So let's get started.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the first picture is of a fish and the beginning sound is
Correct, Khyati. So let's match the beginning sound with the picture. Now look at the next picture.
Ma'am, the next picture is of a bunch of bananas. So the beginning sound is b.
Correct, Khyati. So let's match the beginning sound with the picture. And now look at the last picture.
Ma'am, it's a picture of jelly. So the beginning sound is j.
Very good, Khyati. So let's match the beginning sound with the picture. Now, Khyati, it's time to learn a new sound with a new story. So get ready. In a zoo lived Mama and Daddy Zebra. And they had a little baby zebra called Zena. The zookeeper would give carrots to the zebra every day. As baby zebra Zena was slow in walking, Mama and Daddy Zebra finished all the carrots before baby zebra could eat. Oh, baby zebra Zena is sad. Baby zebra Zena goes to bed. And closes the zip of her bed. Oh, I am hungry. What should I eat? Baby zebra Zena thinks. She runs to find food. She is looking for carrots. She finds a bag full of carrots and the zip is open. She eats all the carrots. The zookeeper comes calling for baby zebra Zena. She finds zebra Zena eating all the carrots. Now baby zebra Zena runs in a zigzag way. Now let's recall the words that begin with the sound z. Zoo, zookeeper. Zebra, zip, zig, zag. Children, let's learn to write the letter sound z. So let's start from here. Make a small sleeping line from left to right. Then we are going to make a slant line coming down, 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 down. And then we are going to make another sleeping line to the right. Speak the sound Z. Now let us write on a single dot. We are going to start from here. Make a sleeping line coming to the right. Then a slant line going down, down, down. And another sleeping line towards the right. Speak the sound Z. Children, let's learn the rhyme for the new letter sound Z.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Children, let's do the activity in salt tray. So take out your index finger, place it in salt, and now we are going to start from here, from the left side. Make a sleeping line from left to right. Then go down, down, down. Make a slant line coming down and then a sleeping line again towards the right. Speak the sound Z. Children, let's do the activity with clay. So take out your favorite color and then divide it into 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. Now let us take the first part and roll it to make it long. We are going to make a sleeping line. So now place your sleeping line like this. Take the second part of the clay and we will make a slant line with it. So roll, 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 roll. And now roll it to make it a little longer. Now let's place it like this. This is our slanting line. Now let's take the third part of clay and roll it. We are going to make a sleeping line. So roll, roll, roll. And now place it like this. Now take out your index finger. We will do finger tracing. Sleeping line, slanting line, then another sleeping line to the right, and this is our sound Z.